So what we've got here is actually a sped up video of me putting together the Blood Bowl Ogre from Blood Bowl Season 2, and it's the Imperial Noble team. I have to admit, for construction purposes, it is a really easy model to do. The sprue, it's very easy to get off it. There's no very difficult parts to get on. It cleans down easily. You can file and use a scalpel to get rid of any of the kind of the sprue mold lines or anything like that. Um, Unlike other miniatures in that box, such as the Ghoul Chewer, you can actually put the whole model together before you paint it. You can't do that with the Orc Star Player, because if you put certain parts on, you're going to find it really difficult to get your brush in later on. Whereas this, I've put it together and it's obvious that I'm going to be able to paint the whole thing without a problem. I'm going to be able to play with him while he's not actually put together, while he's not painted. The one thing I would say that you'll notice that I do on these models, which I shouldn't do, is I frequently point my scalpel at me while I'm taking off little bits of the sprue, which is a very bad thing to do. In fact, you'll see, if you look carefully, I have a rather lovely scar on my left thumb, where when I was about 21, I thought it was a good idea to convert a metal miniature. It was a Necromunda Redemptionist, if I remember correctly, with a Stanley knife, and I sliced my thumb open. Anyway, so this is a fantastic little model to actually do. Well, I say little, it's a big model, but it's really, really lovely. It's really easy to put together. It looks fantastic. Anyway, thanks for watching this speed run of me building the Ogre.